Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. Today in this video we will learn how to share industrial equipment store catalog to customers on WhatsApp via Facebook lead ads. Okay, so the idea here is you have an industrial equipment store. Okay, now you are providing an industrial equipment in that store to the customers, and you have recently run an advertisement on Facebook to generate new leads. Okay. Now the problem here is as soon as a new lead is generated through that advertisement, you have to send them the brochure on WhatsApp. But if you will follow the manual process, you have to first collect the data of that new lead, then you have to manually type a message and add the link of that particular brochure and then send it to them. It's a very long process which will kill your time unnecessarily. So to save your time, I suggest you to bring some automation. You want something like as soon as the customer has entered the advertisement, okay, automatically a form will pop up. Now the customer has to fill up the form, and on successful form submission, automatically he will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So for that, I have used two applications here. First, I have used Facebook. I have used this platform to run my advertisement. Then I have used WhatsApp. It's a famous chatting app to send the message and the link of the brochure. But here I have to face one more problem. The problem is there is no direct link or integration between these two applications. So how I have performed the automation? Let me tell you. With the help of Pabbly Connect. Now you people will say, what is Pabbly Connect? So Pabbly Connect is an integration and automation software. What it will do, it will help us to link both of these applications together so that whenever a new lead gets generated by your advertisement or a customer enters your advertisement, automatically the form will pop up, and on successful form submission, automatically he will receive a WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. Amazing, right? Now let me tell you one more amazing fact. To use this software Pabbly Connect, you need not to be from a technical background. A non-technical person can also use this software very easily. Now let me show you a real-time example on my screen. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is the website for Facebook for developers. Okay, now I haven't run the ad, so I am just showing you for an example. Here I show you how the form will appear to your customers. Okay, but when you will run the live ad, the customers will click on the ad and they will directly reach to the form which you have created for them. Okay, so let me show you the form first. Here let me select the page. This is my page and this is the particular form. Let me preview the form. Okay guys, this is how exactly the customers will see your form. You can see here we have to enter the details of our customer. And let me show it to you, the WhatsApp web page. I have opened it for you. As soon as we will submit the form here, the message will be reflected automatically. So let me fill up the form. Let's say our customer's email ID is 𝗪𝗚𝗠𝗠𝗪𝗠𝗠@gmail.com. Name is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 and mobile number is 82693. So this is the details of our customer. Okay, now I'll click on next and now I'll click on submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now we will go to our WhatsApp web page and we will check if we have received any message there or not. Yes guys, you can clearly see a message has just arrived for 𝗪𝗵𝘆 which says, "Hello 𝗪𝗵𝘆, thank you for showing your interest in 𝗪𝗵𝘆 machinery. One of our team member will contact you shortly." Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our industrial equipments. This is the link. For more details, you can visit to our website www.𝗪𝗵𝘆machinery.com. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, 𝗪𝗵𝘆 machinery. So guys, you have seen successfully we have received a message. Now let me show you the link. Okay guys, so to make this link clickable, there's a note given to you. You have to save the number. So I haven't saved the number, that's why my link is not clickable. Let me show it to you, the PDF file, if we reach to the right brochure or not. Let it load. Yes, guys, the brochure is completely fine. You can see the name of my industry, 𝗪𝗆𝘆 Machinery, and the customers will receive this brochure. Okay, now you must be thinking how I have managed to do this integration. As soon as I have fill up the form on behalf of my customer, automatically the customer has received the WhatsApp message with the link of the brochure. So let me tell you the process on my screen, guys. Okay guys, before we start with the process, let me tell you 3 easy steps of integration as you can see on my screen. Step number 1 says connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So what we gonna do first is, we'll log in into our Pabbly Connect account. Then we will integrate Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect. Why? Because we have run the live advertisement in our Facebook account, and as soon as the customer will reach to the advertisement, they will click on the advertisement and automatically a form will appear in front of them. Now when they will fill up the form, so they will automatically receive a WhatsApp message. So first it is important to integrate Facebook lead ad. Then step 2 says collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so as soon as the customer will fill up the form successfully, I want the data of that particular customer to transfer into Pabbly Connect. So step number 2 says the same. Step number 3 says send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay, so in final step we will be sending the message to the customer on WhatsApp with the link of the brochure. But guys, why we are integrating 360 dialog here instead of WhatsApp? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that we have to use another software which is official API of WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. So guys, you have read out the instruction, the steps which we are performing. Now let me show you the process practically on my screen, how we gonna do the integration and automation. Okay guys, so to start with the process, you have to first open your browsers, come to the search engine, and here you have to search for Pabbly. Type Pabbly, remember, Pabbly, okay. So you can see this is the website page of Pabbly. What you have to do next is come on product, and you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly. Today we are using Connect, so I'll click on Connect. And now we have reached to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here an offer is going on. Don't forget to go and check. Okay guys. Now for the first time users, if you can see a green button at my right corner which says sign up for free, you can click this and you can create your free account, guys. Completely free account in just 2 minutes, because I'm already logged in. So I'll click on sign in. Okay, one more time, you can see all of the 5 applications offered by Pabbly on my screen. Today we are using Connect. So come on Connect and click on access now. So guys, you can see this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. This is how the dashboard looks. Here you can see I have created different workflows. Now we have to create a new workflow. So for that you can see a blue button at my right corner which says create new workflow. I'll click this and a mini box will appear in front of me which will ask me to name the workflow. So here I have to give the name to my workflow. Let's say I'll give the name as Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay, so I have given the name to my workflow with the applications under the name of applications which we are using today or which we are integrating today, which will be Facebook to WhatsApp. So I have given this name. You can give the name accordingly. Okay, now I'll click on create. And guys, I have reached to the workflow. Now here we have to perform the steps of integration. You can see the title name which I have given, Facebook to WhatsApp. Okay. Now one important thing, guys. The workflow which we are making today, okay, the same workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box so that you can click on the link and you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check. And here something is written about trigger and action. So let's read out first. Let me tell you what is trigger and action, then we will continue with the steps. It is written trigger when this happens, choose your first application trigger. Action, do this, choose your next application action. Now people must be thinking what is trigger and action. Let me tell you. Trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Okay. Here the trigger event will be submission of the form by the customers. Okay, the customers will reach to your ad, they will open the ad and form will appear in front of them. Now as soon as they will submit the form, so submitting the form is the trigger event. What is the response? What response we want? We want automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to them with the link of the brochure. So you understood, trigger is happening of an event and action is the response to it. Now let me choose my first application to integrate, that is Facebook lead ads. So I'll click on my first application, come to the search field, and here I'll search for Facebook lead ads. As you can see on my screen, I'll click this. Okay guys, as you can see, a new field has emerged, which is trigger event. Now you have to choose our trigger event. For that you will click this arrow and you can see the trigger event. I want to choose new lead, so I'll choose this particular trigger event and let it load, and now I'll click on connect. So a mini window will emerge in front of you asking for two options, add new connection and choose existing connection. Now I'll click on add new connection and now I'll click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So it will take 2 or 3 seconds. Let it load, guys. Okay, as you can see, I have been successfully authorized in. Now I have to fill up 2 fields, which is page and lead generation form. So they're asking me to map the particular page which I have created for this workflow where the customers will be seeing our advertisement. Okay, so let me take you to my account on Facebook and let me show you the particular page first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Facebook. Okay, now let me take you to the pages. Come to the left corner, here you can see some options are given to you. Click on pages and now here you can see all of the pages I have created for different workflows. Okay, now let me search for the particular page which I have created for this current workflow. Come down, we'll see it somewhere. This is the particular page, 𝗏𝗍𝗏 machinery. Let me click it. Let me show it to you, the page. Okay, so this is the particular page. Okay guys, the customers will be seeing. Now we will map this particular page, in our Pabbly Connect account. So let me show it to you how you can map. Okay, come to the pages field. Click on this arrow and you can see all of the pages which are there in my account on Facebook can be seen here in the drop down. Now I want to choose this particular page which is 𝗏𝗍𝗏 machinery. So I'll click this and automatically the form which is attached with this page with this advertisement will be opened, will be automatically filled up in lead generation form. As you can see here, let it load. Okay guys, here you can see the form, industrial equipment catalog form. Okay, so this is the form. Now what you have to do, click on save first. Okay, and now let me take you to the Facebook developer website. Now guys, I am showing it to you for an example. I haven't run an ad right now. Okay, when you will run your live ad, automatically a form will appear to the customers where when they will reach to the ad. This website is for the developers, so I am showing you how the customer will fill up the form and how the integration process is possible, how automatically they will receive a WhatsApp message. So let me select the page first. The page was 𝗏𝗍𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. Let me search for the page. I cannot see. Here it is, 𝗏𝗍𝗏 machinery, and you can see this is the form, industrial equipment catalog form. Now I'll preview the form. Okay, so guys, this is exactly how the form will appear in front of your customers. Okay, now let me edit the customer details. Let's say our customer's email ID is sam000@gmail.com. Our customer's name is Sam John, and let me edit the number. Okay, so these are the details of our customer. Okay, now I'll click on next and I'll submit. So we have successfully submitted the form. Now we will go to our Pabbly Connect account and we will see if we have received any responses there or not. Okay guys, click on save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully got the responses. Here you can see the email ID of our customer, the name and the phone number. So guys, we have successfully done our first step. We have integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect and we have captured the responses of our customer. Okay, now we will move on to our next and final step, which is integration of 360 dialog. One more time guys, why we are not integrating WhatsApp? Because WhatsApp does not allow you to send messages directly. For that we have to use another software which is official API of 360 dialog. I mean WhatsApp, that is 360 dialog. Okay. So come to your next application, come to the search field, and here you have to search for 360 dialog. As you can see on my screen, now a new field of action event has emerged in front of me. If I'll click this arrow, I can see the various action event. I want to choose this particular action event, which is send template message. So I'll choose this, and now I'll choose, click on connect. So a mini window will emerge in front of me asking me for two options. I'll click on add new connection, and now guys, it is asking me for two options. First, it is asking me to fill up API key, and second, it is asking me to fill up domain. So first, read out the description, what it is written here. It is written enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 dialog account. Log into your 360 dialog account, move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar, and click on generate API key button. And in the domain, it is written enter the domain here, which you will get while generating the API key example 𝗪𝗆360dialog.io. So let me take you to my account on 360 dialog first, guys. Okay, so as you can see, I have reached to my account on 360 dialog. Now, if you are in doubt how I have reached to my account on 360 dialog or how I have created my account on 360 dialog, so for that we have created a separate video, and I have added the link of the video in my description box. And guys, one more important thing, I have added one more link in my description box. Now, if you'll click on that link and you will go through that link, you can avail the services of 360 dialog at a very affordable price instead of the usual price they charge. So don't forget to go and check both of the links. Now, let me show it to you from where you can get the API key. Okay, go to your left corner. You can see three options are given to you. Click on WhatsApp accounts. Okay, now come to the right corner below. You can see a blue button is given for generate API key. Guys, you will click this button and you can generate your API key. Let me tell you, generating API key is a one-time process. You can generate the API key only one time, and you can use the same API key for different workflows. And with the API key, of course, the domain will be generated as well. Okay, so you have to click this button to generate the API key. Copy the API key, the domain, come to Pabbly Connect and paste it here accordingly. Here the API key and the domain. Now click on save, and you will be successfully authorized then back to your workflow. Okay, so guys, as I have told you before, this is a one-time process of generating API key, and I have already generated my API key as well as the domain, and I have copied it from before. So what I'll do, I'll simply go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and here I'll paste it both of the values. And guys, because of some security reasons, I cannot show you this process, but trust me, this is a very simple process. All you have to do is click on this button. The API key of yours will be generated with the domain. Copy them, come back to Pabbly and paste it here accordingly. Now you'll click on save, and you will be successfully authorized and back to your workflow. Okay guys, so we'll meet directly in our workflow. Let me do this process. So as you can see, we are back to our workflow. Now we have to fill up the required fields here. First field is asking us for the template. So let me show it to you what is template. Let's go back to our account on 360 dialog. Now besides generate API key, here it is written show details. Click here, you can see three options at top. Now click on templates, and here you can see the various templates I have created for different workflow. Okay, now for this particular workflow, I have created this template, which is send brochure final. Let me show it to you. So guys, here you can see the body of SMS, or SMS is written there. So template is nothing but just the body of SMS which will be sent to your customers. Okay, here you can see, let me read it out for you. Hello, thank you for showing your interest in. One of our team member will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our link. For more details, you can visit our website. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards 6. So guys, now you must be thinking, what are these numbers in double boxes? So these numbers are nothing but they are just the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of the customer. Let me show it to you one example. In the place of 1, the name of our customer will come. So as soon as I'll enter the name of my customer in body field 1, which is, let's take an example of Sam John, you can see automatically the number has changed to its original value. Same will go, same same is done with body field 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These all are the variables which will be keep changing according to the information of our customer. Okay, so this is just for an example to show you. Now one more important thing, guys, let me tell you how you can create your template. If you will go up, you can see a blue button at the right corner for add template. So you'll click this and the format of template will appear in front of you. Now you can name your template here and you can select the language, in which particular language you want the body of SMS. Okay, and finally you will write the body of SMS here. Now after creating the template, you have to click on preview and submit, and you have to send the template for approval. Guys, this is very important. The approval process is done by Facebook, and the approval process takes from 2 hours to 2 days. Okay, if I'll tell you in general, the approval process done ends within 1 day only. It gets approved within 1 day only. Okay, so don't forget to create the template and send it for approval. Why I'm telling you again and again, guys, because without the approval you cannot use the template. Let me show it to you here. See, all my templates are approved, as you can see on my screen. So without the approval, I also cannot use the template. So let me now map this particular template, which is send brochure final. This is the particular template I was showing to you. I want to map this particular template in my Pabbly Connect account. So I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account, and I'll click this arrow, and I can see the various templates. The same template which are there in my account can be seen in here in the drop down. Now I'll search for the particular template which is send brochure final. So here I'll map it. Okay, let it load for a second, please. Okay guys, now this field of namespace and language code will be automatically be filled up. You need not to do anything. Here in the language code it is written EN. So EN stands for English. Let me take you back to my account on 360 Dialogue, and here you can see under the language section, here it is written EN. So it shows us that all our templates are in the English language because EN stands for English. Okay, so both of these fields will be automatically filled up. You need not to do anything. Now come to your next field, which is asking for the recipient mobile number. So we'll map the recipient mobile number. Now guys, let me tell you first what is mapping data. Okay, if you'll click this field, you can see automatically a scroll down will appear in front of you. If you'll click this arrow, you can see the responses. These responses are the same responses which are captured above by Pabbly Connect here. Okay, now this option of mapping data is given to you by Pabbly Connect because whenever you are required to fill up the field, fill up the values in the required field, you need not to go up again and again, then search for the data, copy it from here, come down and paste it here. Instead, you can simply map the data. How? Click on the search field, the scroll down will appear in front of you. Now search for the value which is recipient mobile number. So I'll map the number, simple. Now body field 1, 2, 3, I have already shown you. These are the variables which will be keep changing. So in body field 1, the example is given to you as Hyder Ali. So here we have to map the name of our customer. So let's map the name of our customer. We'll go to the scroll down. Here we'll search for the value which is Sam John. Okay. Now in body field 2, it is showing example Pabbly Connect. So here we have to enter the name of our store or the center, which is Oni. Okay, so this is the name of my industry, Oni Machinery. Now here in the body field 3 example is given to us as software. So here we have to enter the name of our product. Okay, so what we are providing industrial equipments. Okay, now come to body field 4. Here in the example, a link is given to you. So guys, this link is the link of the brochure which the customers will open. So I have added the PDF file of the brochure in my Google Drive account. Let me take you to my Google Drive account first. Okay guys, as you can see on my screen, this is my account on Google Drive. Okay, here I have uploaded the PDF file of that particular brochure. Let me show it to you. Let me search for the particular file. Here is the particular file, Oni PDF. Let me open it and show it to you. So guys, this is the particular brochure which the customers will be receiving. Okay, let it load. Okay, now we have to copy the link of this brochure and we have to map it in our Pabbly Connect account. Okay, so for that, come to the right corner. Here you can see options for more actions. Click here and you can click on share. Now You can first read what it is written. Anyone on the internet with this link can view. Okay, so I'll copy this link. I'll go back to my Pabbly Connect account and simply I'll paste it here. Okay, now in body field 5 it is written in example www.pabbly.com. So here we have to enter the website name of our industry, which is 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗪𝗆 okay .com. Okay, so this is the name of my website, and finally one more time I'll enter the name of my industry, 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗪𝗆. Okay, so I have created my template in this way, in this format, where I have got 6 variables. You can accordingly create your template and you can add the variables, how many variables you want. Okay, now guys, you can see we have successfully submitted all the fields. We have filled up all the fields. Now I'll click on save and send test request, and we will see the responses if they are positive or not. Yes guys, the responses are completely positive, as you can see on my screen. Now let me take you to my account on WhatsApp. I mean the WhatsApp web page, which I have opened it for you, and let's see if the customer has received any message there or not. Guys, as you can see on my screen, clearly a message has just arrived for Sam John, which says, "Hello Sam John, thank you for showing your interest in 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗪𝗆. One of our team member will contact you shortly." Meanwhile, you can check our brochure, which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our industrial equipments. Link is given to you. For more details, you can visit to our website www.𝗪𝗵𝘆. Note, please save this number in your contact to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay guys, that's why the link is not clickable here, because I haven't saved the number. So let me copy the link and let me show it to you in my new tab, that if we reach to the brochure or not. Yes guys, this is the same brochure which we have seen in my account on Google Drive, which I have uploaded there. So the integration has perfectly worked fine. Now let me take you back to my Pabbly Connect. Okay, and let me give you one important information, that the workflow which we have made today, the same workflow, I'll add the link of this workflow in my description box guys. Now if you click that link, you can directly clone the same workflow into your free Pabbly Connect account. So don't forget to go and check the link. Okay. Hello guys, before you leave, let me tell you, not only just these applications, but you can integrate tons of other applications by using Pabbly Connect. If you want to contact us, this is our email ID, admin@pabbly.com. If you have any further queries, you can always visit to this website. And guys, if you really liked our video, please don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button. It will really keep us boosted, and we will keep providing you such videos. Thank you.